real quick. FC6. There's nothing wrong with this bike. It's amazing. It's so much fun every time I hop on it. But this is sitting right next to it. The indestructible KLR. This is the only bike that they say will outlast you. It's a cockroach of a bike. I believe it. I mean, this one's got what? 34 on it? 34,000? And she does all of the things. Plus, oh my god, I never talk about the fact that this is a $500 bike. At least it was for me. I mean, I put more than that into it. But this was a $500 bike. $500. I've taken it on a camping trip. I have done more things on this bike than any other bike that I've ever owned. I've worked more on this bike. Yeah, out of the other, this is my 5th bike. So out of the other 4 bikes, all 4 of them combined, I've worked more on this one. Which not saying, you know, it was pretty rough when I bought it. Fairly rough. I mean, it didn't run. That's kind of a thing, but I also did some improvements. I also had to do some welding on it. You know, like, there's a bunch of projects that got done on this bike. Subframe, you know, like, all of the things got done. New carburetor, ×2. And not because I fucked up the first one, but because I wanted a better one. And it was a pain in the ass. I could have just left the fucking shitty one in there. Not that it was shitty, but, you know, like the stock carb. And it's just so much fun. You just take it anywhere. I mean, like, the FC6 will get there faster, but you're breaking the shit out of the law. You know? To have fun on it anyway. For me to have fun on that bike, I gotta go like 100 miles an hour. Or like go around dangerous corners. With this one, I'm just like, oh, there's a field. And this thing is just so much fun. And this is a scary intersection. I had a feeling that was going to happen. I mean, is it the fastest thing on the road? No. Does it go fast enough? Yeah, I mean, it gets through traffic. It can go on the highway. $500! I forget to talk about that. Dude, I dropped this thing like 69 times. Hell yeah, brother, keep them fucking electronic wheels down. Yeah, it's so comfortable to stand on, too. $500. It's got all the Farkles on it, dude. Upgraded suspension. It's got, literally, it's called the doohickey, is already done, obviously. It's got the center stand and the crash bars and the upgraded front brake. That Harley dude was like, what the hell? What is that? I mean, she tracks. I dropped it how many times? Look at how this tracks. Look at it. Look at it. Will you look at it? I still haven't touched it. Alright, now I gotta touch it, so I gotta slow down. I mean, this is technically the highway, right? I mean, we're going highway speeds. We're going 55. Well, this thing kind of bounces around a little bit. Now it says 70. See, that's the other thing. Like, it's all mechanical. It's old school. Does it work? Yeah. Does it work perfectly? No. Do I know why? Not really. Does it matter? I don't think that it does. I mean, like, not sure. ADV brother, where'd you go? Oh, I see where you went. Oh, he's going to the liquor store. With his Versys. I wonder if Mr. Versys ever does anything like this. Come on, Mr. Versus Man. Private drive, keep out. They want you to keep out of here. We don't like your kind around here. Oh, I just saw that sign, so. Private drive. Little Caesars. I feel like that gives you cancer. Ooh, is this Ducati? Parked outside Ducati. That's sad. It's not even like half covered Ducati, like if it was over here, like my bike is. Some sort of water just hit me? Is it raining right now? What is this liquid that falls from the sky? Alright, workout time. Alright, we're back, babies. Back on the cheapest kale. Oh, how does it start, Honda? Does it start okay? It's been sitting here for a while. I'm not even going to hit the gas. Wait, are we in neutral? Oh, I'm glad I didn't just try to start it. That would have been funny on camera. Eat a dick. Yeah, I like my KLR. Although, I do want, I would, if I could choose, if I had more than $500 to spend on a bike, I would get something along the same lines, but smaller and lighter, like a WR 450 with Supermoto. Hot, it's the middle of the day, people aren't on the trails. If it was cool or if it was in the evening, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I just got nailed in the eyeball with the biggest fucking bug. Oh. Ow, that hurt. Oh my god, bro. What in the shit? Maybe I should put my mask down. That was a dead squirrel. Hello, lady. Sorry, buddy. Hello, sorry. Oh, I know where we're at. I've actually never gone down this way before. This would be great if it didn't smell like garbage. I won't keep going on that trail there. Should I might would turn around? I just want to go down that way. See, this reminds me of being a kid. You'd explore places like this, but like, I'm too old to pedal. You know what I mean? I mean, I guess I could, but... Oh, get an electric bike, Honda! Yeah, I mean, I guess, if it ever comes to that. Caution, rapids ahead. Over by the golf course thingy. We'll just go right back. Call the police, Susan. He ain't supposed to be on here. Howdy, howdy. Did he just give me the finger? I think he did. Oh, we're on a golf course now. Oh shit, we took a wrong turn. Alright, we'll head back. Someone's liable to get my license plate number. So apparently it's a whole ass golf course, and maybe I'm not supposed to be riding on it. Where the sidewalk ends. What's up, man? That guy liked it. Yeah, my Speedo's doing some weird shit. And I don't know why. It's a strange boat. Alright, we're skipping the first. Skipping ahead. Skipperoo. It's the law, officer. I'm allowed to. It's my right. Alright, it's getting a little warm. 307, 96 degrees. I'm sure where you're at, it could be hotter than that. Sure, why not? Richard! Yep, I'm getting rather thirsty. I rode when it was hot and sweated, and then went to the gym and sweated, and then rode some more and sweated some more when it was hotter. So I think that's what we're going to call it a day, boys. Whew, wrong gear. But if you guys like the video and you want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. And until then, we'll see y'all next time. Cheers!